There's so much crappy music. Oh, look at this orange Mustang. It's pretty nice. It looks like a... Wow, watch this bike get on it here. It's not like almost an automatic transmission the way it hit. Yeah. I don't want to make those noises, but that sounded good. Look, this Mustang must have run me. I got work to do. I don't be running anybody. When the light changes, I'm going with it. And he's going up to the highway, I'm going to the byway. So you got byways and highways. He ain't gonna run me. That thing's a 6-cylinder. Besides that, I don't need to brake in this car. We just talked about that yesterday, doing that stuff. Wrecking the car up. There's no reason for this. Except that I gotta get going to this job. Or else I'm gonna get in trouble. I'll get in trouble big. Nobody wants to race me. Bye. You hear how good that sounds? There's a lot of gas being used up there. Alright, enough of that. I gotta get going.